2023-05-02. May 2nd, Nike Air Max. That was my hook. We're here. Welcome to the third installment of the all-new Branding University. What's up, folks? How you doing? How did the sound engineer do? We doing good? I'm going to cut to the chase because we're still... Now, technically, we passed the hook. People have left already if they're scrolling by. Today, we're going into your leads back office, and we are going into the news blog. I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday evening. I'm going to go through the agenda super quick, but first, my name is Joseph Marc Lalonde, and I help entrepreneurs sell more stuff. What do you think of that? That's my new slogan, because that's all I want to do. I want to help entrepreneurs, you. If you're watching this right now, you are in fact an entrepreneur, correct? Why don't you nod your head at home? By the way, live Mark, say hi in the chat, will you? Live Mark will be there all evening to help you out with any questions you may have. I'm going to breathe because I start getting a little excited whenever there's something exciting about to happen. And tonight we're diving into our dynamic blogs. But first, let me go back to my purpose, my poipus. My name is Joseph, and I help entrepreneurs sell more of their stuff. And in essence, that's what Branding University does. Moving forward, that's what Branding University is focusing on. But isn't it a personal branding platform and a marketing teachings platform? Absolutely. Absolutely it is. And it will be more and more tailored towards personal branding and marketing. However, why? Why personal branding? Why marketing? Why blogs? Why capture pages? Why autoresponders? To sell more of your stuff. Everything leads to that. Let's just get this out of the way because I think this is super important that we know the reason why, to the reason why, to the reason why, but why. It's all about selling more of your stuff, whatever that stuff is. Would you agree? Would you agree? It just so happens that personal branding, I'm going to need 2 fingers for this one. Just checking the time. I got to check the time. That personal branding and online marketing are the best ways to get there. Not necessarily, but they're the best ways to sell more stuff if you want to scale further. Okay? Good enough? Good enough? I think it adds a lot of clarity to what we're trying to accomplish around here. I'm going to assume you have a business or you're selling something. I got to go through these notes, guys, before we screen share, because I will be killing 2 birds today. I want to share my screen. I don't think I'll go in the little window at the bottom. I think I'll go right into screen share because we're covering 2 things tonight. But keep in mind, we are still in the, and I'm not saying this as like an excuse or anything. I'm saying this out of excitement because, there we go. That's a better way to phrase it. Because we're in the infancy of Branding University 3.0, the focus is on the building of the foundation, okay? We have our people. Hello, affiliate partners. How are you? If you're tuning in, You will be the majority of our audience in the coming, well, probably only the next coming month, because we're focusing on setting you guys up properly, setting up the foundation properly for you guys. And then what do? We market to the masses. We market the courses. We pop in those valuable courses because we now have a machine that works. All the autoresponders are in place. Let me go through my notes because I already feel myself about to do something I don't want to do. And it's just vomit all over you about these news blogs. Can you tell? Can you tell? Just look at me. Can you tell? I just drooled. Whenever I drool or spit, it means I'm excited and I'm trying to hold it. And can you tell I'm excited now? And I'm trying to contain myself? Facts. This new blog, this new news blog, for so many reasons, it is so sticky. See? Look. I'm right about here, right about there. No screenshotting. I'm right about there, right about here, and I jumped right there. So, welcome to meeting number 3. Today, there's 2 things we're doing. We're going into your leads back office, your leads, the leads that you have gotten, acquired through giving away free value in the form of courses. Editing team, please put up some text as I'm going through. I'm going to go really, really fast, guys. The first thing I want to say is you don't have to stress out about taking notes the whole way through. This is on YouTube. Maybe editing team throw up a little screenshot of where the playlist is, because I don't want to have to go to screenshot, come back. I want to get the information out, and editing team is going to put up videos on where this is as I continue to talk so we can get through this quick. We cannot have these over an hour. There's no way. If we can get these under half an hour, it'd be even better. So let's go. Today we're getting you into your leads back office, number 1. Then we're going into the blogs, and that's it tonight. You will have access to your leads that you have acquired. How to treat those leads, we'll get into that as well, because you will have those emails. You will have those names. What do you do with them? Well, at the end of the day, that's up to you. They're yours. We will continue to nurture your leads as well. Like in most systems, we'll give them free value. We'll nurture them. We'll throw them all kinds of offers all the time. Okay? Because when we throw an offer to your leads, you get cha-ching, cha-ching. I'm going off again. So right now, we're going to jump right into that. Congratulations, you have a leads back office. It's working. We went through it on the last meeting as the editing team showed you where the replays are on the YouTube channel. You can go there, and if you see meeting number 2, we go back there. I show you, but tonight you have access to it. Some of you are absolutely crushing it. Some of you have no idea how many leads you have. Yeah, how could you? How could you? You have a lot. Some of you have a lot. And the motivation behind getting a lead is when you can see whether you got a lead or not. Seeing how many views, I know it's frustrating. So I'm happy to announce that, and I'm happy to launch that right now. That was a long intro. I got to do this. I I say it like I don't want to say it. I want to say it because there are certain things that require anyone, any entrepreneur, to succeed at business. There are certain components that are required. I'm not going to go through them all because they're subcomponents, but you can create a hell of a dream life with 2 skills. There are skills within skills, and that's why I'm a rambler. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I want to talk about that a little more. But right now, the 2 skills that are required, actually, you can agree in the chat if you'd like to, because of this is, everyone would agree, who's a successful entrepreneur. Number, especially specifically online. And just see, I'm already taking a turn. I think this is important. The reason we focus online, no in-person prospecting or no telephone sales. The reason we do that here, you can find all that training anywhere. It's available. But the reason we're strictly online is because, not because I'm talking like collectively. It's not because we here, as the students at Branding University, don't like talking to people. It's that talking to humans requires your time. And you can only talk to so many humans. There's only so many hours in a day. And I'm not saying you have better things to do with your life, because I sure don't. But it's that your time could be better used in creating campaigns and launching more of those. Because once you have something that's working, you can scale that. So you're sharing a video of something that's converting opposed to getting on the phone. So leads is number one. Leads. You need to be generating leads. I don't care what your business is. It doesn't matter. Wellness, services, products, nutrition, wellness, nutrition, travel, the list goes on. Okay, even if it's like financial services, real estate, you need to generate leads. That's where you, in the chat, live mark, see if anybody's engaging. Would you agree? That's the number one skill you need to master. Not necessarily master, because it's not that hard with the process we're taking here. Provide value, get a lead. Would you agree that's step number one? Nobody wants to pitch. And even if you pitch directly, it doesn't matter. It takes 4 to 7 exposures of showing them the thing before they even look. So you need the lead first. So getting a lead and then selling to that lead. That's it. Those are the only 2 things you need to do. And you will be extremely successful, because once you do that, then you scale it. You do it in video form. See, there's so many skills within skills, but at the end of the day, would you agree those are the 2 things? Whew, I went off. So today we're covering the leads part. We offer free courses. We're going to have so many of them. They're personal branding and marketing courses. The more we have, the more we can offer. And wait till you see through the blog how easy it is to offer them up. Whoa, slow down, Mark. Breathe, Mark, breathe. So we get the lead through the course, through giving a course, because the course is a capture page in itself. Will we have more advanced capture pages in the future? Oh, damn yeah, we will. Hell yeah, we will. I've got to watch my language. I was going to use another term. Heck yeah, we will. All kinds of fancy schmancy stuff. This is all I do. I'm super excited about it. Stay on track, Mark. Come on. I got to reel myself back in. So leads back office, check. It's the first thing we're jumping into right now when I share my screen. We got that. That's great. I'm happy with that. Is there a little bit more clarity on what we're trying to accomplish here? I'm going to assume you have a business, okay? Once you have your lead, when I share my screen, I'm going to recommend or suggest what you should do with that lead. You should tend to that lead. We tend to that lead every second. We're going to put it every 3rd day. There's going to be in our autoresponders for you, but that's generic stuff. The only thing we will be showing your people is our paid courses. We're going to have some for very inexpensive, just to get your PayPal going. So you got some money coming from us, probably more than you think, if you have a lot of leads. So my job, our job, is to work on the copy for those autoresponders, sending them paid stuff that they could purchase, offers from Branding University, where you get your 50%. We do that. You don't have to worry about that. So the more leads you have, the more your chances are of getting more sales through our offers that we will be doing regularly, starting in like 3 weeks. So some of you will start getting checks PayPals in 3 weeks. That was very long. That was very long. I think it's clear, right? And the stuff we offer your leads does not interfere with what you're selling. It doesn't. Okay? So good. That's number one. And then you know what? Right after I show you how to log into your back office, which you can do now, it's live. Has anyone done it? No, because you don't have the URL. No one has the URL. Okay, perfect. So in a few seconds, tell you what, give me 5 more minutes of ramble because I want to gloat a little bit about what you're about to see tonight in terms of the blog. Okay. Well, has anyone here seen the 5-minute, it was 5 minutes, would you call it a preview? A preview? A glimpse. What did I call it? A sneak peek. Who saw the sneak peek of the blog video? Whoa. Whoa. That's what we're going to go and look into. I was going to say release tonight, but we're not releasing it tonight. We're releasing the leads back office tonight. But we're diving into the blog. I will do my updates on some demo blogs because I want you to understand the power of a customizable blog where the content on your news blog. News blogs they're not only the thing, they're the only thing. News blogs are the only thing. Whatever your niche is, why? Oh, I'm gonna start spitting some serious facts here. Why do we create content? Well, to provide value, obviously. Why do we continue content on a continuous basis? Well, to provide value, always new value, so that the audience keeps coming back. It's called the nurturing process. It's called nurturing your audience. So you're always creating content, always creating content. It's very hard to keep up with the trends, isn't it? It's impossible, especially real time. That's why news is so popular. News in your specific niche, getting spit out every 5 minutes. Yes, it credits the news. I was going to say Fox News. Yeah. I'm going to have to bleep that out because I don't want to use. I got to be careful. I got to be careful what I say. News in general, whatever news is on your blog is accredited. We give credit to it, but you don't have to create it, and it's within that niche. See, I'm overselling the blog. You guys all get it. That's what we're diving into. Have I actually been on for what? Almost 20 minutes? Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to chat with you guys in the chat the whole time, but right now we got to share that screen because that was way too long. Let's get into that leads back office. What do you say? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. This will be super, super fun. So let's begin at brandinguniversity.com. Editing team, please pop up everything you can. I will be super grateful if you can do that. Thank you. Now that that's out of the way, brandinguniversity.com. Since this is an affiliate partner feature only, you need to sign into your student account. There we go. I'll log into my student account. If you are in fact an affiliate partner, you will land on this page. What you need to do now is go to all courses. Once you're in all courses, you want to go to affiliates right here. And like previously mentioned in our last meeting, you want to go inside of the affiliate partnership course. This is where we have all of the affiliate tools. Click on that. Now, if you've never been in the affiliate course, you want to enroll for free. If you already have, it's unlocked. Go ahead, replay course. Now, once you're in here, you will have everything required moving forward right down here with the little tools emojis. You have the money bag and you have the tools. These will all be the affiliate tools. So right now there's a new section that is available today. So let me log into my admin account because this is of course pre-recorded. Let's go. Ta-da! The magic of video. There we go. So you guys will actually see this right now. It should be live right now as you're watching this on Tuesday night. Affiliate back office. Let's click on that. Affiliate login. Let's click on that. Here we go. I'll just read this through really quickly. Click here to log into your affiliate back office. Right here. Let me click right now. There it is. It will spawn in a brand new window, but let's go back to the details. It says your user ID is your 6-digit affiliate code, and your initial password is also your 6-digit affiliate code. As you can see on the image here, if you go under your username, click affiliate, click your affiliate links, you will see your 6-digit affiliate code right there. Then if we continue on this page, it just shows you the official login screen, which is this. Let's go back. We'll continue down. It says, be sure to change your password upon your first login. Now this will be a different password unless you choose the same password as your student account, but it's a different password. It's 2 different platforms, okay? This affiliate back office is not the school site. This is built by us. We control all the code. This is programmed by us. Then if you continue down, it simply says watch the short videos within each section of your back office for detailed instructions. So what we've done here is we brought all the back office instructions over to your actual back office because all of this information here is seen by the public. They don't need to know how to use the back office. All they need to know is that we do have a back office because it is in fact a feature of an affiliate partner, and we want to just keep filling up our waiting list. If you're unaware of what the waiting list is to become an affiliate partner, let's get to that right now. We're going to go and we're going to actually log in. So I'm going to click here. It launches the affiliate partner login screen. I said I was going to kill 2 birds today, didn't I? So let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's kill 3. Why don't we kill 3 birds with 1 stone? Let's log in. Affiliate code as your password. Log in. Ta-da! You're in. Your name will show up here. Your affiliate code will show up here. When you see this, you know you are successfully logged in. First things first, password. Click password. This will show your affiliate code. You need to update your password immediately. So all you need to do is select the text right here, your password, enter your new password, click change password right here, and it's done. That's it. Your password is changed. Now please write this down somewhere so you don't forget. The next place we're going to go right now is channel. But before we do that, please be aware that you may not have all of these buttons right now. As a matter of fact, you're only going to have a few of these buttons tonight because we are in fact the 2nd of May as you're watching this, and you do not have access to the blog right now. This is just an in-depth preview. So what you're going to have is you're going to have home, you're going to have students, you're going to have password, and you're going to have channel. Now, since this will be your first login, I'm going to go through the steps you need to take immediately. So change your password is number 1. The number 2 thing you need to know is channel. If you click channel, what that does is it launches another window that goes to our YouTube channel. Now, this is where all the replays will be housed. It is the YouTube playlist that I talked about earlier. So if you scroll down, that's our first ever webinar. That was only a month ago. Isn't that something? We are making incredible progress. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's our first meeting. This is our second meeting. And right now, today, this is our third meeting. But what you'll find in this channel is everything we release in order of date. So that's our first video a month ago. Then there's my story a month ago. Our second meeting 2 weeks ago. Then more videos 13 days ago, 12 days ago, 6 days ago. And the next video, of course, will be today's meeting. It'll go right up here. Great. That's perfect. So if you ever miss a meeting or you want to check out if we have any new training of any kind, just come back here. It'll pop up at the top, okay? So now we're going to dive into these sections in just a second, but here's the button you have. It's called Students. Now, before all these questions pop into your head, just note that every single section will have a video within. Almost every section. Profile will have one. Moments will have one. Features will have one. News does not have one because it's pretty straightforward. Students will not have one because students is simply a list of your students. We're just about to pop into that right now. Password will not have one because, as you saw, it was super easy to change. One sentence will explain it properly, and channel goes to an outside link. So what I just explained will probably be the video within the home section. You now know how to navigate throughout your back office. Two things to note. Number one is that there are videos within each section for further details. It's important to watch these videos before you ask all kinds of questions, okay? Another thing to note is that these videos will be throughout the page. So instead of having one 5-minute video at the top, we will have one 30-second video perhaps at the top, then another 30-second video perhaps explaining the social media links, then another video perhaps explaining how to input your story. So we're going to keep it nice and tight with little bite-sized instruction videos within. Okay, perfect. Now you know how to educate yourself on how to use your back office, okay? Now let's go. Students. Click on Students. Now this is pretty straightforward. You're going to have student name, student email, and the date they signed up. The last updated date is very important. It's going to be updated every Friday. So it is not real time. Another thing is these emails. Let me just go down here. Let's blur this out, okay? Please, editing team, you can just blur out all the information, please. So the other thing to note is this is simple text here. There is no way to extract these emails into your autoresponder. There is no way to message people directly from here. However, these are two features that we will perhaps build in. When I say two features, feature number one is for this data to be real time and for you to have the ability to message people directly from here, and perhaps the ability to export the data into an autoresponder. However, I'm going to be real with you guys. That probably won't happen in the foreseeable future. Why? Because there's only 100 of you. Now, we'll see what happens because, I'm the programmer here. So programming costs on this kind of stuff, this kind of functionality would normally cost, but I don't know. We'll see what I decide. I'll probably build out all kinds of crazy features. I'm just going to be real. If it's possible, I'll probably eventually build it in. But for now, this is how it sits. And there you have it. That is as simple as it gets. You can sort by name, you can sort by email, you can sort by sign up date. Now we only have sorting in ascending. I'll probably throw in a little arrow that sorts in descending. Now the reason these features will probably come in handy, such as a search function to search through your students, is because since there are only 100 of you guys, it's just a matter of time before you'll have thousands of students, because no one else can invite students into Branding University. So once I start marketing, once the company starts marketing Branding University to the masses, and Branding University gets a name for itself, the students have to come in somewhere. They're going to be coming in through one of the 100 affiliates or the company directly, which is why you will end up having a ton of students over time, which is why functionality will probably be very important here. But for now, this is how it is. What I recommend you do is message the people as soon as they come in. Message your students. Say hello, introduce yourself, and offer a helping hand. Maybe ask them which course they unlocked. Make a friend. I would advise being interested instead of being interesting. What do I mean by that? Professional marketers know this already. We do this through funnels. But people are not going to necessarily look at your thing, at your product, at your business on jump immediately. It'll take a little getting to know you, a little nurturing. Now, you can go ahead and pitch them immediately if you want to, but let's just say your results will not be great if you do that. I highly recommend you make a friend. Now, if you've got your own funnels going, if you've got your own autoresponder, you probably have some kind of nurture sequence going anyways, but that's just my suggestion, and it's a strong suggestion. The way you contact your people is up to you. If you decide to spam your people, I'll have you know, it will not affect your standing with us. You're not going to get like a strike for giving Branding University a bad name. I just wanted to let you know that there are no real rules to how you contact your people here, okay? They are your people. Now, just note that every time we send out a message to your people, it goes out to all of your people. So as we throw out offers to new courses, paid courses, all of your people will receive that. And whoever makes a purchase, of course, you get 50%. And that's not even talking about the autoresponders. The autoresponders are going to be layered in offers. So when you get a new student, just know that over the next 3 months, they will be getting offers. And there you have it. That's your student's back office. Now, how long did all of that take? Let's see. Okay, so we're only half an hour in. That is awesome. Okay, let's do this. Let's bring this down to way under an hour. It is time, guys, to dive into your dynamic blog. Here's what I'll do. I will begin by running this little 5-minute video. Now, some of you have seen this. It's the dynamic blog sneak peek. It was uploaded 6 days ago, so about a week ago. I'm going to run this right now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my thoughts on how epic this blog is and what this blog will do for you and for our company. And then we're actually going to go into your blog back office, which is currently not available for you guys right now. But I'll tell you what, it will give you the chance to start to come up with ideas of how you want to update your blog. So I kind of want to go into the moments right now. I want to go into the features. I want to go into the news. I want to go into your profile, which in fact is what's going to brand you. I want to go into all of these sections right now, but I will run the clip, because by running the clip, what am I doing? I'm killing 2 birds. I won't have to repeat myself. So I'm paying attention with you right here as I run the clip. And then at the end of today, you will actually have your own blog link. Now let me explain really quickly. If I go here, this will be your blog link, your unique blog link. Now you don't want to start sharing this right now because you can't update your blog yet. After the sneak peek, we'll go into this, but if you were to click your blog link, all of your stuff will be blank. The only reason you will get your blog link today, as a matter of fact, let's talk about this in a second. Okay, let's run the sneak peek now. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? The only purpose of this video is to give you a sneak peek of our new dynamic news blogs releasing next month. Yes, I said news blogs. So this is only a sneak peek. The full preview will be on May 2nd. Check that out on my Linktree. The link should be here somewhere. Maybe in the description, in the bio. Maybe I'm sending you this through a DM. Here's my Linktree. It's the first link up here. Okay, so what we're doing is we're serving up top news stories for you on your blog. You'll be able to choose which categories you want in your admin back office. So if your audience is entrepreneurs, you can serve up only marketing news. Or even better, marketing and business news. Or if your audience is crypto, you can serve up crypto news. Audience is wellness, well, sports news, and maybe even lifestyle news. What if your audience is travel? Well, travel news. Or you can serve up all categories. That is totally up to you. Now check this out. The top news stories are going to be refreshed in real time, about every 15 minutes or so. And this will happen in all of your categories. This is so crazy. I actually stayed on my own blog yesterday for about an hour without even noticing. It is so sticky. Okay, so now this is crazy. You get to control all of your featured content. The 3 boxes at the top of each page and the 3 boxes at the bottom of each page. You control the headings, the description, the image, and of course, the link. Now, these can be anything you want. So I just put a variety of income streams that I currently have. I put my branding university free courses. I put some of my MLM network marketing links, one here, and I put one down here as well. I even threw up a ClickBank link. Yes, I am a ClickBank affiliate. It's a very lucrative income stream. I even threw up one of my NFT links to one of my NFT collections. So as you can see, the possibilities are up to you. Okay, so next is a section about you, right up here. This is where you can add a short story about yourself. You can upload your picture. That'll go here and that'll go here. You can add all of your social media. You can also add what we call moments. That's to help your audience get to know the real you, because this is all about branding you after all. These moments are also a great place to show off your accomplishments. So we use the news to get them in and to get them coming back. We use the featured content for your offers, and we use the about to brand you. It's literally the magical recipe. Now be sure to show up on May 2nd for the full preview of the power of your blog. Again, check out my Linktree. It's the first link up here. Like I said, the link should be here somewhere, in the description, in the bio, or in the DM if I'm sending you a DM. Now these blogs are only available to our affiliate partners. So if you're one of the 100, congrats. You've got it made in the shade. Just sit tight and stay tuned for our official blog launch. If you're not yet an affiliate partner, we have 18 spots left out of 100, and we are only accepting 100 affiliate partners. So by the time we launch our blogs, all the 100 spots will be gone. That's for sure. This is why I wanted you to see this video, in case you're not an affiliate partner yet. If you're not, go ahead and grab one of the final spots by going to my Linktree, scrolling down to Affiliate Partnership, going into the Affiliate Partnership course. You'll need to sign up as a free student if you're not already one. Then once you're in, you go to Affiliate Partnership Sign Up. You go to Apply to become an official Branding University affiliate partner and click on the subscribe button. If the 100 spots are full by the time you see this, fill in the form to be put on the waiting list. There will be a form here as soon as the 100 spots are gone. Then if one of the 100 affiliates either drops out or misses a payment, we will contact you, but it will be $97 instead of $27 per month. If you do see the $27 button right here, click it now and become one of the 100 affiliate partners. You'll receive a welcome email within about 24 hours. Okay, I gotta go. I'll see you on May 2nd for the full preview of our blogs. See you then. Bye-bye. Okay, how was that? Was that exciting or what? Now, here's what's funny about excitement. I'm just going to say it how it is, not how I think it is. I'm going to make a bold prediction, but I am not basing it on uncalculated guesses. Okay? Let me show you what I mean here. So the addition of blogs was actually just decided a couple of weeks ago. There wasn't supposed to be any blogs in the new branding university. That wasn't supposed to happen in this version. But we are called Branding University after all. It's about personal branding. That's the source of our brand. So if our affiliate partners are not properly personally branded, it doesn't really make too much sense, does it? So I found something out in my early online career that spawns back in 2015. I found that it doesn't take much to brand yourself. As a matter of fact, in today's day and age, with people's current attention spans, which is not much longer than the attention span of, let's say, a mosquito, you don't have a lot of time to brand yourself. Yes, it's awesome to have a ton of content out there. Yes, it's awesome to have a ton of accomplishments, accolades. And yes, it's very important to have a very in-depth story of yourself. However, in today's day and age, with the low attention spans, or should I say short attention spans, which by the way are becoming shorter and shorter and shorter as humans evolve. It's true, it's just the way it is. With people's short attention spans nowadays, they will not go into all of your detailed content or your detailed story or your detailed offers. They will do so once they get to know you a little at least, which is why all affiliate partners have a Branding University news blog. I'll talk about the news portion in just a second here. So as far as your personal brand, here it is. Let me start with the About page. Every affiliate partner has a blog with an About page. This is your About page. Look at this. Pretty short story, right? It's really a glimpse of you. I highly suggest you use your own picture as well. I'm going to show you how easy this stuff is to update in just a second here. Now, if they like what they see, guess what? All of your social media links are right here. Once again, super easy to update. I'll show you in a sec. Now, if they scroll down, check this out. Just like the sneak peek showed, these are what we call moments. They are very much like Instagram posts. There are no links within. It's just a picture and a little description. Believe me when I say, guys, that when people find you online, they don't scan through all of your timeline. They generally will scan down a little if they're interested, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 posts down, maybe. So what we've done here, we've laid out 8 boxes where you can upload 8 pictures and 8 descriptions. Now you can change these at any time. You can even tailor this whole section to your business. I mean, you can take pictures of things in your company. You could put product pictures in a little description. You could put testimonials. Just really think about this. The possibilities are endless, and people get to see it at a glance, all in one serving of the eyeballs. Boom, there it is. And you can change these as often as you like, as I will show you in a second. Then, of course, you have your featured posts. Right here. You have 6 of them. As I mentioned in the sneak peek, I'm just posting several of my income streams. So I have two boxes that are for Branding University. There's a free course to unlock, which will lock a student to me. There's another Branding University course. You only have 6 of these boxes. There is a testimonial for my network marketing company. If I scroll up here, here's another testimonial for my network marketing company. Then I thought I'd just throw in a couple of my other income streams. This is a ClickBank product. I do ClickBank. Yes, I've been an affiliate for as long as I can remember. This is not about that. This is just to show you that you could literally put whatever you like in your featured content. And another one of my big passions, probably my biggest passion, don't tell anyone, is crypto NFT, the NFT world. So this is a link to one of my NFT collections. So you see the variety, right? This is your about page. This is where we're starting here right now. So that's fine and dandy, okay? That's fine and dandy. That's beautiful. It's actually very, very, very beautiful. It's very effective. It's simple. You literally brand yourself within one page. You literally have all of your social media. If people want to contact you within one page, you literally have a visual representation of whatever you want to put in 8 of these boxes. Now, just as a side note, this is to really highlight yourself. That's what that should be for. But if you want to highlight a product or a service, you can go ahead. But I would recommend you have less of a salesy, pitchy vibe in the moments section, because your pitchy, salesy vibe would be right here. You can include your links here. So now this is great. This is kind of like a training on what belongs here. And this will give you the next week or so to start thinking about how you want to populate your blog. Start thinking about it. Start thinking about what you want to put in here. If you have no pictures, start cultivating pictures. Have your pictures ready to go for when you're ready to update this, which is probably going to be in a week or 2. Now let me show you down here. This is clickable. If I click this, it goes to my Branding University affiliate link. If I click this, it goes to my ClickBank affiliate link. If I click this, where do you think it goes? That's right. It goes to my network marketing company. Now, this is a team page, but this could easily go to your lead capture form for your network marketing company. This could go to your replicated page of your network marketing company. This could go to your form for an insurance quote. Any of these can go anywhere, whatever your business is. Okay, that's good. That's good enough for now. Let's go edit some things. But before we need to jump into the question, let's call it, would it be an elephant in the room? No, I don't think so. I think you guys have an idea what I'm doing here. Why the news? Why the news? Now, editing team, please just put this up here in text. I'm just going to speak. I'm going to reiterate something. I'm going to repeat something that was said in the little sneak peek. We use news to get them in and to get them coming back. Features for your offers. We use the about to brand you. So let's think of it this way. The news would be your content. The features would be your marketing. And the about would be your personal branding. You see how this all falls together, right? If there ever was a magical recipe, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Now, am I just guessing this? Is it like a guess? Am I guessing, hey, let's just do a news site because, I don't know, because it feels right. Do you think that's what I'm doing? No, that's not what I'm doing. Why don't we go to ChatGPT for a sec? Should we go to ChatGPT? Yeah, let's go to ChatGPT. I call my ChatGPT Marie Antoinette. So let's ask Marie Antoinette. That's what I name her. So what I do is I predict the future quite a bit. But now with the assistance of AI, I actually don't have to predict the future too much. I can do what I would call a very extremely calculated guess. So I'm not going to go through this. I mean, you can pause the screen if you want to, but basically what I do with Marie Antoinette is I set her up as a professional, okay? I set her up as a professional, right here, a professional statistician. Her ability to gather statistics is unparalleled, blah, blah, blah. I set her up as the pro, so she gets all prepared. So let me share with you a little bit of information. Specifically, one important piece of information, or let me say one answer to a specific question. Is online, let's make it 2 questions. Let's make it 3. Are people going to the internet for news? What percentage of people on the internet are going to the internet for news? And is that percentage increasing? Are more and more and more people going to the internet for news? Is it trending up? Well, 73% of people go to the internet for news. That's in 2021. That's as far back as Marie Antoinette goes. ChatGPT goes. 73% is up from 69% in 2020, trending up. So I wanted to clarify, it appears that the percentage is going up and it's increasing every year. Would that be a fair statement? It is a fair statement. And then she'll give explanations to why this is happening, such as COVID, people being more confined nowadays, so on and so forth. So then I ask myself, why do I go on the internet aside from business, aside from my daily tasks? Why do I go on the internet? I go on the internet to see what's going on. I go on the internet to see what's up. I go on the internet to see what's current, what's happening right now. Whether it's news from my friends, whether it's updates on social media, I'm tuning in online to see what's going on, what the news is. So there we go. That's our theory behind it. Get the news to get them in and get them coming back, keeping the site sticky while integrating the featured sections for the marketing for your offers, while having the moments and the about section to personally brand you, as well as having all of your social media accessible right here. Okay, so let's go take a look at that news. Marketing, business, crypto, gaming, lifestyle, sports, travel, fashion. Who cares about that, right? Right. If you're thinking that, yeah, you're right. Who cares about crypto if you're not into crypto? Whoa. Let me rephrase that. Who cares about crypto if your audience is not into crypto? Who cares about gaming if your audience is not into gaming? So on and so forth. You may be into marketing, but your audience may not care about marketing. You may be a marketer who cares about the marketing news for yourself. You want to know, but your business is in travel, for example. If you have a travel business, you are definitely interested in marketing and business, but your audience is not interested in marketing and business specifically. They're interested in travel. So this is why you get to control your menu. We're going to get into that probably first, but why don't we go see what this looks like? Let's go click on marketing. Okay, so check this out. Your featured content is the 3 top boxes at the top of the page and the 3 bottom boxes at the bottom of all pages on your blog. And the news is served right here. This article was served 32 minutes ago. This article was served 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago. Look how recent these are, and keep this in mind. This is marketing news. So what we're doing is we're serving up the most recent 25 news stories. And these are the top marketing news stories from around the world on your blog that has your featured links on it. That if I refresh this page in about an hour, it will have 3 different new articles. Now that is crazy. If we go to another section, let's go to gaming. Why not? I'm not a gamer, but let's go to gaming. Your featured content is still there. Look at that. 14 minutes ago, 16 minutes ago, 27 minutes ago. Look at that. What happens in a different section? Same thing. Let's go to travel. Look at that. 24 minutes ago, 31 minutes ago. 37 minutes ago, 47, an hour ago. Look at all these. Now, these do link out to the official sites. Look at that, Forbes, the Daily Beast, Skift, the Insider. But you are the host to all these articles. And let me talk about the featured content really, really quickly, because here's the true power. As people come back to check on news or check out news stories, and believe me, guys, this is so sticky. Let's go to business here. Someone goes to check out the business news for today. Your featured content is always there. Does it mean they're going to click it all the time or anytime? No. But you know what is guaranteed? They will see it. Subconsciously, folks, these are exposures. Okay, I think that's enough for today. I think that's enough for today. Let's go do some edits. Okay, let's go back to our back office. Here we go. Profile. Now, you don't have these buttons, but if you absolutely wanted to go see what your empty blog looks like, you can go to BU.blog/ID equals your 6-digit affiliate code. But that doesn't really serve you anything because your blog will be empty. Like if I click this, this will be mine, so it's not empty. But if I were to change this part in the URL to someone else's affiliate code, let me show you what that looks like. Okay, I just grabbed an affiliate code. I don't know whose this is. So it should come up empty, whoever this is. Let's find out. There we go. Don McIntosh. How are you, Don McIntosh? So this is what you would see, but I recommend you still go take a gander at your own site. Don't market it yet. And then you'll see that your boxes are empty. Your featured content is empty. If you go on any of the news pages, your featured content is empty. However, the news is still delivering. Okay? So why would you want to do this? Well, first of all, you get to write your story. You get to compose something here. So let's get in that mindset right now, okay? If you've got a pen and paper, start taking notes on this, or just write it down when you watch the replay, but make note of this, please. Start preparing a short story about what you want to put here, and you can edit it at any time. Let's go look at that now. But before we do so, keep in mind these are all of the news sections that you can choose from, and there are 13 of them currently, but in the next few months, we will have about 50 of them. I said 50 as in 50, with even more specific news sections such as branding, such as wellness. As you can see, we have sports here, but we don't have wellness. How cool would it be to have a category that's all wellness news? We'll have another one for nutrition. We may even have one for fitness. So yeah, we're going to have 50 that you can choose from. So for now, we have these. So why it's important for you to come and check out your own blog is that you can actually go through them and get a feel for the ones you want and the ones you don't want. However, this is super easy to edit in your back office. We're going to do that now. So I'm going to close out. I'm going to go back to my profile. I'm going to click on my blog link. So you see, I took out some sections on my site. That's mostly because I'm playing around. But if I go to my back office, let's go take a look now. Profile, check this out. If I scroll down, I can change my image instantly through ImageGur. Now, I don't think we need to do a training on this today because we're starting to run out of time, but nothing is hosted on our servers. Actually, let me do a quick update right now. Why not? We got a minute. Now, the reason I'm jumping into this really quickly is just to show you how fast and easy this is. Yes, I have Income Beast. I was using you as an example. Let me just do that. I'll click on the picture. You upload your own picture to ImageGur, and then I'll copy that. I'll come here. No, I'll come here to my back office. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to remove that link. I will paste Income Beast. I will go update picture, and boom, there he is. If I go to my blog, boom, check it out in real time. The picture spans across the entire site. If somebody wants to learn more about the beautiful person up in the corner, they click it, they go to the About. Anywhere else on the site, there is an About link, boom. Anywhere else on the site is the person's name, boom. So before I forget, let me go change my picture back. Here it is. Copy. Let's go back, delete, paste, update picture. Boom, there we go. That's it. That's all. Let's go check on the live site. How quick is that, huh, folks? Now we're going to go through these steps slowly about the I am GUR, all that stuff in the next session, because now you can't update anything anyways. So now you might want to write this down, okay? Because here's your story. So your story can only be 5,000 characters. You may want to make note of that and start working on your short story now, okay? The way this is updated is each line represents a separate paragraph. So if I go look at my blog, you're getting kind of a tutorial right now, aren't you? You'll notice paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I come back to the back office and I just go and I just add, let's say, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. I think you get the idea. Then I go update story. And by the way, you have a preview of your story right here. I go update story. I scroll back down. See the number 1, number 2, and it's instant. It's instant. I'll go right to my blog again. There it is. You see number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now again, this isn't an in-depth training. However, there really is no in-depth training required, is there? This was built to be super simple. So now I don't really have to do any more updates here on today's meeting, but I will show you social media, same deal, same deal, same deal. If you don't have any social media, it simply removes it. I'll scroll up and you'll see there's a section for your moments. Scroll down and you update each moment individually. And you can always review your stuff in the back office immediately. Here, I'll go pick another picture real quick, just a random one here. So you see how this one is larger or wider? I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to paste it here like that. I'm going to go update moment. And you'll see the box adjusts, you see? And it adjusts on the blog as well. Let's go take a look, just like that. Scroll down to moments, there it is. So the thing to note is that there is no development server here. When you make an update here, it updates live. So you want to be careful. It's not like you update it and then you have to commit it. As soon as you click update moment, it's updated live, okay? So this could be very, very powerful if you have certain highlights you want to feature, whether it's in moments or whether it's in your actual features for a certain amount of time. Let's say you have a big event coming up or a big webinar, and by then you're starting to get traffic to your blog. You can put the webinar invitation here, whatever you like. The point is, it's instant. Now, something to note is that your profile picture must be square. That's the only picture that must be square. Everything else, fine. The boxes will adjust. Let's go back, and I think I pretty well showed you the entire back office here. Oh, no. There's one more I need to show you. So if we go to features, it's the same deal. There's just more information because the features has a link and the features has a little placeholder here for the company. Now I say the company, but it could be anything you want right here. It's just text. It's not linkable. And then whatever you put as the link, that will link from the text and it will link from the image. Okay, so I think I covered everything on how the blog is updated. You will not need much of a training next meeting, will you? But now I really want to show you the news. So here what it's going to show you in your back office is your news bar. Now this is very self-explanatory, okay? It's yes or it's no. You either want that option or you don't want that option. So if I take off marketing and I click update, you see how there's marketing right here? You see how there's marketing on my blog? If I take it off and I click update, okay, you see how it's gone now. If I go to my blog, guess what? It's also gone. That's how you adjust your news menu. Now, what I like about this back office or this section of the back office is that you can actually check out the news even if it's not on your site. So for example, I just took off marketing news. Let's take everything off except travel. everything, everything, everything off except travel. Everything off except travel. Well, if you're a travel company, you probably want to keep lifestyle. Probably. Let's do lifestyle, travel, and fashion. Nah, with fashion. Well, that's going to be up to you, but let's just see what this looks like. So we've got two sections, lifestyle and travel. Let's update that right now. Beautiful. Two options. Now on your blog, if you are not on your about page, you will always have the about option. Let me show you. Go to travel. You see how it's always there? If you're on any page that is not your about page, you'll always have the about option so that people can go and find out more about you. Okay, so there you go. That's a simple menu, right? And before we end this today, that's a heck of a preview, isn't it? It's basically the whole enchilada. But what I like about this back office is that if you don't have these menu options on your blog, but you are interested in the news, you can click them from here. And then you can actually see them for your own personal use because they're still tied to your blog. They're just out of the menu. So no one will ever know that you have this section because you really don't. So there you go. I guess that would be your homework. I suppose you could call it homework for this week, would be to start thinking about how you want to craft your own news content delivering marketing machine, personally branded blog. Start thinking of the content you want to include. And just really quickly, those are my famous last words, right? Really quickly, one more, and just one more thing. I feel like Columbo. And just one more thing. And this is a reminder for the affiliate partners. Please set up your Linktree. Please set up your Linktree. Now, the editing team, please show them where to find that Linktree training. I'm going to just speak it out, but hopefully I have some kind of visual integration edited in to show you. But it's on the playlist on our YouTube channel. There's a short little Linktree training. I believe it's about 10 minutes long, but it's a must-see. So affiliate partners, please do that. That will protect us from getting our links spam blocked. And just a little final note on the affiliate partners that are on subscription right now for $27. If you don't have the money in your PayPal account when it's time to pay the subscription fee, PayPal will send you a notice every 5 days, I believe, for 3 shots. So all you have to do is make sure you got the $27 in your PayPal account. That's all you need to do. You don't need to actively pay anything. So once you're set up with the subscription, the affiliate partner subscription of $27, maybe editing team, you could just kind of scan through where to find that, please, while I talk this out. Once you set up the $27 subscription, that comes out automatically every month. PayPal takes care of that. You don't need to keep paying. As a matter of fact, a few of you have a couple of subscriptions set up. They should have been canceled yesterday or the day before. Like some of you actually set up a second subscription on month number 2. You don't need to do that. So I was able to cancel your second subscription just so you have one going on. You don't have to keep paying. It comes out automatically out of your PayPal. All you need to do is make sure the funds are there. So if you guys do want to see what my blog looks like, for now you can just go to BYOU.news. Let me type it in. There we go. BYOU.news goes here. So does BYOUnews.com. It goes here as well. Now please note that I will adjust my blog according to what I do. So you will see a variety of income streams that I'll be modifying, that I'll be substituting all the time, because I'll be doing a lot of testing with my blog as well. But if you ever want to check out what I'm doing, just go to that site. Maybe use my blog as an example of what you can do, because I will be stretching its capabilities. And if the capabilities can't be stretched, well, guess what? I'm going to build them in. Okay, guys, what an amazing meeting. I can't begin to tell you how excited I am to see where this is going. I know where this is going, and it's definitely going to be a game-changing adventure. Okay, guys, that's it. I will leave you with this. Check your promotions folder if you're using Gmail, because that is where you will get notifications from us, including the notification for the next meeting where your blog back office will be available and ready for you to edit. I don't think I left any stone unturned for today. Go ahead, dive into your Leads back office. It should all be live right now. If you have an issue, simply email me at marc, M-A-R-C, at brandinguniversity.com, branding, Y-O-U, university.com. My beautiful editing team, will you please throw it up on the screen? I love you all. I will see you all on the inside, and I will see you at the next meeting. Bye-bye now.